We got a bad boy right here, 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger. Hey, you can join the Swingers Club if you buy this car. This is a Pro Street 340 under the hood with 400 horsepower. When you hear this thing run, you would swear it's a Hemi under there. All tubbed in back, roll cage, rotisserie restored, and it's a celebrity car. We just bought this from Fluffy, the comedian, as part of his car collection. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you'll find the price tag on this car, along with the monthly finance payment, and you'll find 200 other classic cars for sale as well. But for right now, buckle up. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, Gabriel Iglesias is who we just purchased this car from out in California. So it has the Hemi Super Stock hood, the big scoop, racing pins. It's straight, it fits nice. The body looks real nice, all clean and straight. I noticed there's no emblems on the side of the car, just nice, smooth, clean. They put a plug where the antenna would be. All this lines up nice, all smooth, clean, right down to the bottom. All lines up real nice. Quarter panels are excellent. Shuts real nice. The roof is excellent, even coming down the sail panels. Quarter panel, all of this. The body is excellent. All fits real nicely, clean, straight, looking really good, all the way to the bottom. No rust, no damage, it's all straight. Painted Hemi orange. I did a real nice job. It's smooth and glossy. There's no significant flaw to speak of, like no problem areas, no cracking, no chipping, anything like that. I mean, if you look at it, it's got a little texture, pretty much like what your brand new car would have from the factory. It's a beautiful Hemi orange, painted on black bumblebee stripe and the stripe on the hood, like a matte finish. Those are both painted on. Door handles a 7 out of 10. Mirror looks brand new. All this trim looks real nice. Stainless is real nice. Windshield looks new. Front bumper has a little surface wear on it. That's a 6 or 7, but it's chrome, shiny, straight. The grills look to be real good original. The wheels, and big, smooth, steely wheels, 20-inch Micky Thompsons tires. Extra, extra wide in the back. I mean, those are monsters. If you look at our undercarriage pictures, you'll see just how wide they are. It's like a steamroller back there. Original glass in back, typical light scratches. And in back here, the rear bumper, that's been rechromed. That's beautiful. The Swinger emblem looks real nice. Original taillights. So now, why don't we open it up? Got a lot more to show you inside. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as these videos are posted. Let's see what we have in the trunk for us. Okay, we have a fuel cell. Obviously, that's all new, but also underneath the trunk lid, the jamb, all painted orange. Everything inside here is painted orange. Everything inside is all new fabricated metal. This is the tub for the rear wheel. Look how wide that is. So this is all refabricated. Gel cell battery relocated to the trunk with a billet hold down. Has a big old on-off switch. The fuel cell, braided lines, new weather strip. So there's your trunk compartment. I don't know if I mentioned, this has 525 miles on it since it's been redone. Not many miles at all. It was known as the Orange Crusher. Wheels are massive. So the inside metal is painted orange, got some smooth door panels on there, were custom made, weather strips were replaced. Custom dash. Now to start it, you just flip the switch on right here, fuel pump comes on, and you hit a starter button. These are your turn signals. And then that's where you kill it right there. All Pro Comp gauges, 537 miles on it right now. It's a tachometer, custom aluminum insert. The lower dash is painted. It does have wipers. Carpeted floor, Nice B&M shifter with the e-brake in the middle here. These are some real nice sport seats. Once you're in there, boy, you're locked in place. You're not sliding all over. And then it has these real nice G-force racing belts as well. It has the roll cage all painted up nicely. In back, it's just carpeted and painted. Headliner was replaced. Visors are in excellent shape. And it's got a nice polished wood rim steering wheel. Go to volocars.com to see all sorts of interesting, exciting stuff. A few hundred cars for sale, financing, prices, videos, pictures. Now this is a built 340 engine, 400 horsepower. It's got Mopar, aluminum heads, aluminum intake, aluminum water pump. It's a high-rise Edelbrock intake with a big Demon dual feed carburetor. Looks like an MSD ignition hiding in the back. Some nice tall Mopar aluminum valve covers, coated headers. And you can see the entire engine bay is all painted up real nice. Alternator looks new, still has a sticker on it. Aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, electric water pump. Smooth, clean, they're Doug's headers. Power brake system. 6-pack air cleaner on top. So Michael's going to take you and show you what she's got. Hopefully he keeps it between the lines.
Put your seatbelts on. We're going to have a little fun. 1970 Dart here. Hey, this thing got the 340 in it. Came in hard. Lots of performance upgrades on it. Go ahead and check out our website for the details on that. So, I know it's been lowered. It's got a custom suspension, tubbed out back, narrow Dana 60. I mean, this thing is sweet. It's done up real nice. So yeah, we're gonna pay attention, see if we get any wheel rub, anything like that. Super cool rims on here. Smoothies, 18s up front and 20s out back. I mean, I've never seen them in smoothies like that before. So really cool car all the way around. Got this Ripper 340 underneath the hood. Let's see what she's got. Like that, up to speed, no problem at all. It actually rides pretty good, handles over the bumps and everything for being lowered. Seems to, have pretty good suspension still. I didn't notice any rub around the couple turns that we took. It does have the TCI shifter here, the B&M shifter. But yeah, we got our racing harnesses on. Got like a 6-point roll bar in this thing. I mean, it's done up. The tires out back, I think, are 30 by 18 by 20. Just monstrous tires. But yeah, no power steering, just be aware of that. Whole bunch of custom stuff going on here, including the column. Again, no wheel rub through that turn. So yeah, we're doing pretty good here. If you guys want to test drive it yourself, by all means, you can come down to Volo, Illinois, speak with one of our consultants first, and they can arrange a test drive for you. I would highly recommend it because it's a heck of a lot of fun. If you feel you need another opinion, you can hire a third third-party inspector, and they can give you a thorough report on it. But as I see it, it's a fine vehicle, lots of fun. You're going to love it. Check out all the pictures, details, and description on volocars.com.
So this was rotisserie built, all painted orange underneath. There's probably as much money underneath this car as what I'm asking for the whole thing. A lot of work's been done. Starting up front, all new steering and suspension, upgraded tubular upper control arms, adjustable gas shocks. In back, it is a ladder bar 4-link system with the crossbar going across the middle, coil-over adjustable gas shocks. It has disc brakes at all 4 wheels. It has a 3.5-inch exhaust, and it's neatly bent, and it goes all the way out the back. When you get a fat exhaust, it's hard to get it to go all the way out with all the stuff in the way, but they were able to pull it off on this one. You look up at the motor. It has an extra capacity oil pan, an anodized pan, a high torque starter. It is a 727 torque flight trans, performance built, has a big B&M extra capacity thinned aluminum pan underneath it, has a remote oil cooler for the trans, custom drive shaft, goes back to a narrowed Dana 60 rear end. That's a heavy duty rear end. It has the aluminum girdle cover over the front of it. You've seen the fuel tank in the trunk. It's all stainless braided lines, electric fuel pump. And then the structure, they say it's back halved. In other words, from here back, it's all reconstructed. The original unibody had frame rails and that. Well, they all had to be cut out, and everything had to be remade to make room for them wide tires. So there are frame rails welded in all the way to the back, all reconstructed, all new floors. I mean, it looks like factory did it. They did a really nice job building the underside of this car. So go to volocars.com if you just want one real cool hot rod without having to spend a fortune. Salesman can help answer your questions like how to get it to your door, how to get it financed. That's at volocars.com. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.